I'm David Woolley and I work as a Technology Transfer Manager for Physical Sciences and Engineering. I came to Southampton in 2006 into the intellectual property licensing group here, and that was a move from the BBC's licensing and R&D department. My job at the BBC, I joined after doing an MBA, Masters of Business Administration degree, and I worked in the BBC's strategy group. And then because I'm an engineer, I got pushed towards more technological engineering roles and worked with the R&D department at the BBC. In my role as Technology Transfer Manager, I see myself as a great complement to and advisor to the creative, academic and research teams that we have here. I tend to give very specialist, targeted advice for individual projects where the matters are quite complex. So I'm a supporting member of a project team for people within faculties. In the role of Technology Transfer Manager, we'll see a variety of activities throughout a working day. I'll generally have 2 or 3 at least meetings per day, sometimes completely all day. But there is quite a lot of paperwork, quite a lot of research that I need to undertake as well. So I'm at my desk quite a bit and I'm meeting people, which is one of the things I really enjoy, the diversity of projects at different stages of development. For my role working with students, it tends to be general advice that I would give. Often if they're in a team with an academic, they go as part of the package. But I do spend probably several hours per week advising, interacting with students, usually postgraduates, to tell them what the options are for their role with managing IP and the university. And we essentially say the university gives you the discretion to decide to do that yourself or declare it's a university project and fall in line with the university's staff members' intellectual property terms. One thing that's very hard to understand and appreciate for many people in the university community is my role managing intellectual properties. It's very much a craft skill and there's very few standard answers. So above anything else, if things don't appear straightforward, come and talk to me. And there's a whole host of people in research and innovation services that we can get to bring into the team effort to give you your answer. So if you've recently been at some convention or conference and people have been really interested in your activity, then please come and talk to me and we'll work together to try and work out what the opportunity is. If you want to be at the centre of developing this, taking the technology forward, then we could talk about creating a spin-out company. Otherwise, we'll work out the best ways to license the technology.